kettle corn stand, a two-lane road, a crowd rolls in. Atlanta wakes, let the fest begin. Oh, the Earth Festival calls us home, where the tractors hum and the windmills groan. A small town heartbeat, steady and true. Atlanta, Indiana, we come back to you. Hand-stitched quilts in the old town square, homemade pies in a rocking chair, kids chasing dreams in a field of hay. The past feels close on a day like today. Cardboard signs bless this place, smiles bloom on every face. Oh, the Earth Festival calls us home, where the tractors hum and the windmills groan. A small town heartbeat, steady and true. Atlanta, Indiana, we come back to you. The leaves fall slow like a fiddle tune. The lanterns glow beneath the harvest moon. Generations gather, hands entwined. A fleeting moment, a sacred time. The Earth Festival calls us home, where the tractors hum and the windmills groan. Small town heartbeat, steady and true. Atlanta, Indiana, we come back to you.
$30. Come on over here. All 3D.
To you. Hardwood signs bless this place, smiles bloom on every face. Smiles bloom on every face, homemade money face. The leaves fall slow like a fiddle tune. The lanterns glow beneath the harvest moon. Generations gather, hands entwined. A fleeting moment, a sacred time. To you, come back to you. To you, come back to you.